Hey everyone! A good sex life is crucial for physical and mental well-being. But did you know that yoga can improve your sex life? Yes, so if you want to boost your sex life, try using some of these poses in your regular yoga practice. So the first pose is Marjorie Asana or the cat pose. This pose will help you loosen up the spine and relax. Being able to relax helps lower your overall stress levels and increases your sexual desire. Now how to do this pose? Start this pose on all fours. Keep legs hip-width apart. Make sure your wrists are underneath your shoulders and your knees are in line with your hips. Keep your spine neutral and your weight balanced evenly across your body. Inhaling, look up and let your stomach curve towards the floor. Lift your eyes, chin and chest up as you stretch. Exhaling, tuck your chin into your chest and draw your navel toward your spine. Round your spine towards the ceiling. Perform this pose slowly between the two for 1 minute. Avoid this pose in cases of cervical spondylitis, high blood pressure, injuries to the knees, wrists, shoulders and back. The next pose is Setubandha Sarvangasana, also known as the bridge pose. This pose improves your posture, reduces lower back pain and strengthens your pelvic floor muscles. Strong pelvic floor muscles reduces pain one may experience during sex. Now lie down on your back. Bend both your knees and position your feet hip-width apart with your knees in line with your ankles. Place your feet close to your glutes. Place your palms flat on the ground facing down. Inhaling, press down firmly through your feet and lift your pelvic region off the ground, allowing your torso to follow, but keep your shoulders and head on the floor. Hold the pose for 20 seconds with normal breathing. Exhaling, lower your body slowly towards the mat. Practice this pose 3 times. Avoid this pose in cases of hernia, peptic ulcer, injuries to the neck, back and shoulder. The last pose is Baddha Asana, also known as the butterfly pose. This pose works by opening up the muscles around the inner thighs, improving flexibility around the sexual organs. It also helps remove fatigue from long hours of standing and walking. Now how to do this pose? Sit straight on a mat with legs stretched out. Bend your knees and bring the feet as close as possible towards the pelvis. The soles of your feet must touch each other. Hold your ankles or your shins with your hands. Alternatively, you can also interlock your fingers and hold your feet, whichever is comfortable. Keep your spine straight. Now slowly flap your legs up and down like the wings of a butterfly and then increase the speed gradually. Practice this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, stop and take a deep breath in. Now exhaling, bend forward as much as comfortable. Push the knees and thighs down closer to the floor. Stay here for 20 seconds. Feel the stretch in the inner thighs and take long deep breaths, relaxing the muscles more and more. Inhaling, rise up and exhaling, bring the knees together and straighten the legs. Shake the legs off a little bit to remove any fatigue. Practice this pose 2 times. However, avoid this pose in cases of sciatica, groin injury or knee injury. So guys, when using yoga for the sexual health of men and women, we often only target the physical aspect of doing things like flexibility and core strength. However, what we do not talk about is how yoga benefits the mental health of people. When you perform yoga and realize your body's full potential, it makes you feel more comfortable in your skin, boosting your self-confidence and self-esteem. Again, if any pose causes pain or discomfort, it's always okay to modify or stop it altogether. The key is to know what works for you and your body. Also make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.